All right. So what we did was we stood the columns, we plumb and square the offside and install the overhead beam, and then part two is we have to walk the power side into plumb, meaning if the column is leaning back or not far enough in, it needs to be tapped in. And if you really find yourself fighting moving those columns in, a trick that I've developed over the years is using a ratchet strap or heavy duty tie down. Since column number 1 is bolted, you can pretty much pull column number 2 into plumb. We use 2 magnetic levels when we're working, one front to back and one side to side. So that's a trick of the trade to get, how am I going to move that column in, because they'll really fight you sometimes.